While everyone is talking about how AI replacing jobs, I discovered how to build a $50,000 per month AI automation agency that helps businesses implement the exact technology they're afraid of. And I did it using just one platform. Most people see AI as a threat to their livelihood, completely missing the massive business opportunity right in front of their eyes. They're paralyzed by fear while smart entrepreneurs are building six-figure agencies, helping businesses automate operations with AI. I'm revealing the exact business model I use to build a $50,000 per month AI automation agency in just 8 months, showing you the specific services that business desperately need, the platform that makes it all possible, and why 2026 is the perfect time to start this business. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how AI automation agencies work and why they are so profitable. You'll see specific services you can offer with zero technical background. You'll know which platform makes this business model possible for anyone, and I have a complete roadmap for starting your own AI automation agency in 2026. And the fifth service I reveal at the end generates the most revenue per client. It's something every business needs, but almost no one is offering it, making it the perfect opportunity for early movers. Businesses everywhere know they need AI automation to stay competitive, but they have no idea how to implement it, who to trust, and where to start, creating a massive gap between demand and accessible solutions. This leaves business owners overwhelmed by AI complexity while losing competitive advantage, wasting money on expensive consultants who overcomplicate simple solutions, struggling to find reliable automation providers who understand their specific needs, and missing revenue opportunities because of their operations are not optimized for efficiency. I was running a traditional marketing agency when I realized every client conversation eventually turned to the same question:
how can we use AI to automate our business?
That's when I discovered the massive opportunity in AI automation services. AI automation agencies represent the perfect intersection of massive market demand and accessible technology. You can build highly profitable business helping others implement solutions that are already proven and currently available. You don't need to be a programmer or an AI expert to start the business, because modern platforms have made AI automation as simple as drag and drop workflows, but you do need to understand which services business actually need and how to deliver them reliably. Imagine running a business where clients pay you $3,000 to $8,000 per month to implement AI solutions that save them tens of thousands of dollars of operational costs, creating a win-win relationship where your success directly correlates with their business growth. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I don't have the technical skills to build AI automation systems. I get that. There's a fear of needing advanced programming or AI development expertise. But here's the thing. Modern AI automation platforms are designed for business people, not programmers. You're selling business solutions and strategic implementation, not coding custom AI from scratch. Others may say the AI automation market is probably already saturated with experts. I understand the fear of competing against established AI companies and technical experts. I get that. But this market is massive and growing exponentially. Most AI experts focus on complex enterprise solutions, leaving small to medium businesses underserved. That's where the real opportunity for you exists. Some also think businesses probably can't afford AI automation services right now. That's a fear that economic conditions make this a bad time to start an expensive service business. But businesses can't afford not to automate in 2026. AI automation saves them money immediately while improving efficiency. You're selling cost reduction and competitive advantage, not technology. A year ago, I was running a traditional marketing agency, making decent money, but consistently trading time for dollars. Every client wanted more work, but I was already maxed out on capacity and couldn't scale without hiring expensive specialists and virtual assistants. That's when a client asked if I can help them automate their customer service and lead follow-up process. Instead of saying no, know, I spent weekends and weekends learning about AI automation platforms and discovered I could deliver exactly what they needed without any coding. Within 30 days, I had implemented a complete AI automation system that saved them 25 to 30 hours per week and increased their conversion rates by 40%. They were ecstatic. They referred me to 3 other businesses, and I realized I had stumbled onto the most profitable business model I've ever seen. The first service is AI customer service automation. You can implement intelligent chatbots and voice AI systems that handle customer inquiries, book appointments directly to the calendar, and qualify leads 24/7, 365. Why does this work? Businesses lose thousands in revenue from missed calls and delayed responses. AI automation captures every opportunity by reducing staffing costs. The revenue potential here, $25,000 to $10,000 monthly per client, per setup, and ongoing optimization. The next service is lead nurturing and follow-up automation. You create intelligent sequences that automatically follow up with leads using personalized messages, emails, SMS, calls based on their behavior and interest. Why does this work? Most businesses lose 80% of leads due to poor follow-up. AI automation ensures every lead gets consistent, personalized attention until they convert. The revenue potential here is massive. I do these from $100,000 a month in some specialized cases. The third service is appointment scheduling and management automation. You build smart scheduling systems that automatically book appointments, schedule reminders, handle rescheduling, and manage calendar optimization. Why does this work? Manual scheduling wastes hours daily and creates friction for your customers. Automation makes booking effortless while eliminating double bookings and no-shows. The revenue potential here, $1,000 to $3,000 per month per client for system management and optimization. All right, let me give you a pro tip. When you're managing multiple clients' automation systems like this, I use a platform called HighLevel. It makes it incredibly easy to handle everything from one single dashboard and platform. They actually are offering a 30-day free trial through my link that lets you test their entire AI automation suite, perfect for seeing how professional agency manage complex client workflows at scale. The link is in the description if you'd like to check that out. All right, let's move on to the fourth service. It's sales process automation and CRM integration. You automate their entire sales pipeline from lead capture to deal closing, including proposal generation, contract management, and payment processing. Why does this work? Sales teams spend 60% of their time on its administrative tasks instead of selling. Automation handles the busy work while they're improving conversion rates. The revenue potential, $3,000 to $6,000 per month per client for pipeline management and optimization. The fifth service, and this is the biggest one, it's business intelligence and reporting automation. You create automated dashboards and reports that track key business metrics, competitor analysis, identify trends, and provide actionable insights without manual data gathering. Why does this work? Business owners need data to make decisions but lack the time to analyze it. You could automate this, provides instant insights for better decision making. The revenue potential, $2,000 to $4,000 per month per client for dashboard management and strategic consulting. CEO of OpenAI said, "The businesses that will thrive in AI are those that learn to augment human capability with artificial intelligence, not replace them." AI automation agencies represent the perfect implementation strategy of this philosophy, helping business owners augment their operations with AI while maintaining human oversight and strategic direction, creating sustainable competitive advantages. Now that you understand the AI automation agency model and you see the revenue potential, you're probably wondering exactly how to get your first client and implement these services without any technical background. You know, that's what I actually cover each and every week when I do my coaching calls in our private school community, which is included completely free if you use my HighLevel link in the description below. You'll see my exact sales script for positioning AI automation services. Get the proposal templates that close 70% of the prospects. Learn the pricing strategies that maximize profit while delivering incredible incredible value and discover the implementation processes that ensure client success from day one. If you want to start with your AI automation agency with a proven system instead of figuring it out through trial and error, that client acquisition guide that I have in our community will show you exactly how to get started, and I'll link it in the description below. And before you go, if you're serious about starting with AI automation, you'll need a professional platform that can handle all of these services for your clients. HighLevel is what I use, and it's most successful to deliver AI chatbots, automated follow-up sequences, appointment scheduling, CRM automation, and business intelligence dashboards all in one platform. Again, they're giving you a free 30-day trial if you use my link. It's risk-free, doesn't cost you a penny, and you could test out the services before you actually buy. Whether you're selling customer service bots, managing lead nurture, or pipelines, HighLevel handles it all seamlessly. The trial link is in the description. Definitely worth checking it out if you're serious about building a profitable AI automation agency in 2026.
And hey, really quick before you go, just remember that results vary. What you get out of HighLevel depends on the work you put in. I'm not here to promise you'll make a certain amount of money because honestly, everyone's journey is different. But if you're willing to put in the effort, this platform can do some incredible things for your business. All right, that's it for this one.